Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get a QR code for your Etsy shop. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Etsy website right here at etsy.com. If you've not already opened it up, you want to open it up, and after doing so, we can get started. This is going to be the main page that's going to greet you, the home page, and in the upper right corner, you can get started signing up for an account. If you do not already have one, you can sign up for a new account. If you have one, just log into your account normally. So once you have logged into your account, you'll be greeted now by this home page, and we can access our account right here at the top of the screen by clicking your account. What you can do is open up your profile that you want to set up the QR code for, so that when people scan the QR code, they're going to be taken to your profile. Open up your profile, and I'm going to go and view my profile right here. That's going to enable me to take a look at my profile info. Here is my profile at the top of the screen. This is my URL, and now I can get started. So basically guys, how do you create a QR code? There is not a direct way on the Etsy website, so what we're going to do is find a website that's going to do it for us. You can go ahead and Google create QR code for Etsy. That's going to give you some websites that can do this for you, such as the meqr.com or the QR code generator that is free right here, qrcode.io. You can select whichever option you want. So what you can do is go and select your link to any website URL. By selecting this, you can go and copy your code from right here or from your Etsy store, whichever option you prefer. Copy your Etsy store link and paste it right here. This is going to enable you to create a QR code that once you have created guys, people will be able to scan it, so you can go and print it, you can go and share it wherever you want, and people will be taken to your Etsy website, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.